Welcome to this training about organizing and creating content. In this training, we will cover the course site interface, how to create modules, how to create content within modules, creating pages, moving items between modules, using the Assign To option to add dates to make content available at a certain day and time, publishing, unpublishing, prerequisites, and requirements. So to start, I'm going to go into the training course right here so we can look at the course interface. So when you log in into Canvas, you can see the global navigation located on the left side of every page. The global navigation links provide quick access to default links, including the user's account, the dashboard, courses, groups, calendar, inbox, history, commons, and help. In the dashboard, you can see all your courses. You can also move a course or a course card to another location in the dashboard. You click the options icon and select and move the tab to another location in the dashboard. You can also manually drag and drop a course card to another location in the dashboard. I'm going to open the training course and on the left side you can see the course navigation links. And depending on the structure of the course, you can choose to reorder or hide the course navigation links. If you want to reorder and hide the navigation links, you can scroll down all the way down to Settings, go to the Navigation tab, so the navigation links are visible to all users are displayed here in the top. And the links that are hidden from students display right here in this section under the drag items here to hide them from students. So you can move items from this section to the top to make it available to students so students can see it, or you can move links from here to this section here to hide those links from the course navigation. And just be sure that you scroll all the way down and click on Save. So now let's go to the modules index page. So the modules are used to organize content into your module index page. The content can be organized by weeks, by units, or whatever organizational structure works for your course. So you are essentially creating like a one-directional linear flow of what would you like your students to do. So in this training course, we already have some modules here. For example, you can see here we have this module, week 1. We have some documents, we have some headers to divide sections within the module. So let's go create a new module. In the top right, click in plus module. And let's go title creating content module, and click on add module. It's going to be all the way down here at the bottom of all the modules in this index page. So you can add new items or existing content to the modules. If you click here in the plus sign in the top right, it's going to open this page here where you can add and create content module. If you already have some content in the course, you can see the list of all the assignments, discussions, quizzes listed here at the bottom. So you can also search by quizzes, you can upload a file, you can create a page, create a discussion, you can add a text header, you can add an external URL, or you can also add an external tool. So let's go see if I want to add an assignment here. So I want to assignment and I'm going to choose this one here, Essay 1. I select this and I just click here and add item. And you can see that it's shown here in the module. Let's see, I want to add another document here, or maybe I want to add a discussion. If I already have some discussions here, I'm just going to click the discussion, add item, and the discussion show here. Let's see, I want to add the quiz that I already have here in the course, quiz, and I'm going to choose quiz 10, and it shows right here. So as you can see, I have an essay, that is an assignment, I have a discussion, and I have a quiz. So you can add content that you already have in the course. If you want to add, for example, a new assignment, you want to create a new assignment, I'm going to the assignment here, click on the first option, create assignment, put the title of the assignment, and here you have the option for indentation. Let's see, I'm going to use the level 1 and I just click add item. So after you create a new assignment, click on the assignment link. At the top right, you can see that you can publish this assignment. If you click on Assign To, it's going to give you the option to add the dates when the assignment is open, close, and the due date. If you click in Edit, it's going to give you the option to add a title, to add the instructions. And here you can also, change the heading of the instructions or the titles. You have the text editor that you can use the different options for text editing. You can add external links. If you take a link from a website, you can just click here and you can add an external link here and just put a title. You can add an audio file if you have uploaded a recording, or you can just click here and go to you can upload an audio from your computer, or you can click in record and it's going to record directly in your computer. You can also add documents that maybe you already have here in your course. If I want to add a document from here, let's see, just gonna choose this one here as a presentation. You can also upload documents. you can directly add YouTube videos here. And you can add, the size of the video that you want to embed into this assignment. So using the text editor, you can add a lot of content into the assignment. And when you're ready, just, after you add all the settings, then just scroll all the way down. If you click on save, it's going to save a draft of your assignment. If you click in save and publish, it's going to publish for the students to view the assignment. If you want to create a discussion, again, you click in the plus sign. You want to create a new discussion, just go to discussion. Click the first option to create a topic. And here you just type the title name and just indent if that's something that you want to do, and add item. And it's going to create the link to that discussion. And again, you click on the discussion one, it's going to take you to the next page. And then just in the right side, click in the discussion option, the three dots here. Click on edit to add the instructions, the title, and all the settings for the discussion. And again, you can see you have the same text editor options that you have when you create a new assignment. And when you are done with all this section, just again, you can click save to save the discussion as a draft, or you can click on save and publish to make it available to the students. To add like a new file that is not in your course, you can click in the plus sign, go to File, Create File, and using the Browse option here, you can browse any file in your computer and add it to the modules page. You can add an external URL. Just name it. And you also have the option to indent the link, and just click add item. And as you can see, I already add a link here. If you want to organize the content inside the module, you can create text header, you can use the indent option and just click add item. And as you can see, I have a header here in the module, and I have few here. I have the assessment, labs, files, quizzes, and you can move this around the module and just drag and drop in the section that you want inside the module. So let's now create a page inside the module. Again, we're going to go to the plus sign, and then here we are going to page, create page, put the name for the page, and you can also choose the indent level. Click add item. Let's go open page 1. In the top, you can see settings again for publish, the pages assigned to for the dates, and let's go click on edit. So creating pages inside the module is an easy way to post content into your module. You can add text, images, links, upload files, add videos, add content from your OneDrive. You can drag and drop items from the desktop. And it's also an easy way to organize your content into your module. Sometimes the modules are really long, so consolidating content into pages is a good way to organize your content. For example, if you have a lot of the YouTube videos in your course, I'm just going to change the heading here to 4. And let's see, I want all my YouTube videos to be in one page. Using the YouTube video option here, I'm going to research for a video and choose the size. I'm going to say small. I'm going to add another video. And add it to this page. I have 2 videos here. You can add as many videos as you want. And when you're done, you scroll all the way down. If you click save, it's going to save the draft of this page. If you click save and publish, it's going to publish the page for the student view. So I have a page that is going to consolidate all the YouTube videos inside the module. Let's go create another page. I'm gonna see maybe course files or week 1 files. And then add item. And this is the other page. Let's go inside here. In the top right, click on edit again. And let's see, you want a page to consolidate all the files that the student has to review or read in that specific module. You can add files that you already have here in your course. You can add, for example, I'm just going to choose this one. I'm going to choose another file. So I added 3 files here. So you can have like a page just for the students to access all the files, within the module in week 1. So you don't have separate links for all these files. So you can consolidate files in one page. And let's go save this. And we're going to create another page. Let's go to modules. Let's go create another page. And this one, let's see, is for an assignment. I'm going to open the page for that assignment. Let's go click on edit. For example, you have an assignment that have like a long instructions. You can type the instruction for that assignment and you can add the link directly, to that assignment. If you go to the link option here and you go to course link, and it's going to take me to this section here. Let's see, assignments. I'm going to choose assignment 1. So when the students open this page, they are going to see the instructions for this assignment, and they are going to be able to go directly to the assignment 1 that is inside the module. Or you can also add a link, a course link to a discussion. Let's see, I want to go to discussion because I have instructions for them to complete instructions for the discussion. Or I want them to go directly to a quiz. I can add a quiz here. So we added 3 course links to different assessments inside the module. Assignment 1, discussion 1, and quiz 1. So you can also consolidate assessments into one page if you want to organize your module, in another way. And when you are done, just scroll down and click on Save. So let's go back to the modules again. So I organized the content in 3 different pages, and you can create pages based on the structure of your course. In page 1, I have all the videos. In the next page, I have documents that I have inside the course. In the next page, I have an assessment page that the students can access the assignments inside the module. Let's go to the assessment page again. So under the assessment page, you can also add documents from your OneDrive. If I click in this option here, it's going to open my OneDrive, and I can just add a file from my OneDrive directly into this page. You can add an external link. You can just paste the link, title. You can add a picture. You can upload a picture, or you have any images already in the course. Let's see if I have. I'm just going to add the image. You can upload or record. If you have a video that you want to upload here, you can just drag and drop the file here. You can click in record to directly record a video or an audio directly into the page. You can upload documents directly from your computer. So these are examples of things that you can consolidate into one page. You can also change the order or move things around inside the module. So you can move files, you can move titles, or also you can move things from one module to the other one. If I want to move this assignment, click in the options here, move to, and then choose where do you want this. I want this to be in this module, and I said I want it at the top of the module, and you click move, and it's right here at the top of the module. You can also move the order of the modules. You can move the whole module, just drag and drop to a new location, or you can also click in the options in the module, in the three dots right here in the right side, and you can click here move content, or you can click on move module, and then you click there and it's going to move the module to another location, and depends where you want to add that module. So in the module you can also click in the three dot option and you click on edit, and you can also use the log until option and set the date when do you want this module to be open and the time. However, in order to use this option, the module, for example week 2 module, it has to be published. So I need to publish this module before I use the log until option and set the date and the time here. So you can also add prerequisites to the modules. So when you set a module prerequisites, the module is locked until a student completes the requirement items in the module. However, if the prerequisites module doesn't have a completion requirements right here, the module will not be locked to the students, and the student will be able to access the module content. So let's see, if I click here in prerequisites, I'm going to say the student has to complete lesson 1 as a prerequisites. And then I go here to requirement and I said, what do you want? What are the requirements for students for lesson 1? So when you add requirements in a module, students must complete the defined requirements within the module before the module will be marked complete. So if I click in requirements, so I ask them to complete lesson 1 before they go to lesson 2. And then the requirement for that module is going to be that they have to complete quiz 10. So let's see, they have to complete week 10 and they have to submit the assignment. If I click in the plus requirement, you can see this introduction discussion. I want them to submit that assignment too. If I click the plus requirement again, it just said assignment week 2. Maybe it is only instructions here, so I just want them to view these instructions here. and I choose here to complete all. I didn't choose a student must move through the requirements in a sequential order. I just click here, complete all. So I have the prerequisites, that is to complete lesson 1, and the requirements that they have to complete inside that module. And when I'm all set, I just click on save. I'm going to click relog modules. And you can see here in week 2 module, the student have to complete all the items, and I have the prerequisites to lesson 1. And now I would like to go back to the help menu in the global navigation, because you can get help with Canvas by using the help menu. And we have here like 8 default links for help or feedback. You know, we have the tutors, research and writing, the passport to Canvas, student training, the Canvas support for students, for faculty, the hotline to report a problem, the training service, and here the search Canvas guides give you to find tutorials, video tutorials, and common questions about any issues in Canvas. So that's it for this training, and we have covered all the topics and a little bit more. So thank you for watching.